So guys, in today, our chat series has been started, and this was last video of our chat series. And in today's last video of chat series, I am just telling you about the chat methods. Like in the previous video, we learned many things about the chat. Like in the previous video, we learned about many things in the chat. But in today's video, like in the previous video, we learned many things. So in today's video, whole method I will told you in today's video of our previous videos. Okay, so please hit the like button, share friends, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so now you never miss our future latest videos. So now I did not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about what are chat methods in the Python. Let's learn about the methods of chat. So now let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling you about the chat methods. This is our last video about the chats. Like in the previous videos, we learned many things, and in the previous video we gain many knowledge about the chats. So in today's video, I only told you about the methods, and that's why this very small video. Like in the previous video, what we are learned. So in today's video, whole thing I will be cover it. Like in the previous videos of chats, we learn about many things. But in today's video, we whole methods of the previous videos we cover it. So let's get started. And first of all, you must know what are chats. If you do not see our first video of our chat, so see that video, then your concept will be clear about the chat. But let's learn about what are chats, and let's start. Python has a set of built-in methods that can use on chats. Okay, this is called the chats. So now let me tell you some method of the chat and his shortcut and plus description. So first method is add. This method adds an element to the chat. Okay, if you do not know how to use it, so in the previous videos of chat series, I have already told you all these methods. So see that videos. Number 2 method is called clear method. His description is remove the all elements from the set. One more method is copy method. What copy method do? It returns a copy of the set. Okay. And one more method is difference. What this method has been do? His shortcut is like that. This one shortcut of the difference method, and it returns a set it containing the difference between two or more sets. One more method is called difference method, and the shortcut key is minus equals to. What it can do? It remove the items in this set that are also included in another specified set. Now one more method is discard method. What it can do? It remove the specified item. Okay. One more method is intersection. What can do? It intersection method shortcut key is like that. This one shortcut key of the intersection, this and what its description is, it returns a set that is intersection of two other sets. One more let me tell you one more method. This is called the intersection update. Is his shortcut key is and equals to. What it can do is description is it removes the items in this set that are not present in other specified sets. Now let's learn about more methods of the sets. One more method is disjoint. This method returns whether two sets have a intersection or not. One more method is subset. What can do? Its shortcut key is like that, less than sign then equals to. It returns whether another set contains this set or not. Now one more this method has this shortcut key is not any method, but its shortcut key is like in the less than. What can do? It returns the whether all items in set in the set is present in other specified sets. One more method is superset. What can do? Here's first of all shortcut key is greater than equals to. What it can do? It returns whether this set contains another set or not. Like this one more shortcut key like greater than sign. This method is not any method of this sign, but what is the meaning of this sign? It returns whether all items in the other specified set is present in the set. One more method is pop method. What pop method do? It removes an element from the set. Like in the previous video we learn about the pop method, remove method. If you do not see our previous videos, so please see that. what remove method do? It remove the specify element. One more method is symmetric difference. What his shortcut key is that, and what can do? It returns a set with a symmetric differences of two sets. One more description, one more method is symmetric difference update. What can its shortcut key is that, and what it can do? It inserts the symmetric differences from this set and another. One more method is union, and its shortcut key is this, and what it can do? It returns a set containing the union of sets. One more method is update. What can do? Shortcut key is this, and what can do? Update the set with the union of set of this set and others. Okay, so now here you can see it. In today's video we just told you about what are what are set methods, and we learned many methods in the set. So I hope the concept will be clear. If you do not see our previous videos, so let me show you how to see that. First of all, you go on to the YouTube, search here my channel by the name of, you search here my channel. First of all, it take a loading. You search my channel by the name of Davian. When you search it, so please first of all subscribe and then all the notification bell also, like that. Then what you can do, you can go on to the playlist. Then when you go on to the playlist, you go on to the Python tutorial playlist. Then first of all, you can bookmark this playlist from here. Then you will be access this playlist, and then what you can do when you do this whole thing, then you see our this chat series. Okay, we are the chat series is starting from here and ending from our this video. Okay, so now I hope your concept will be clear about that. And like in the previous videos of this access sets, add set items and remove set items, in these three videos I told you about add method, clear method, copy method, difference method, and this whole method I told you about in these previous three videos. Okay, so please see that these three previous video, then I told you about with examples, so then your more your concept will be clear about it. So now I meet you next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. But please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. I see that like 99.5% is seeing my video but not subscribing the channel. So please, why you are doing like that, please subscribe it. Okay, and now I meet you next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. And I hope you gain a knowledge from this video, you gain a more knowledge about the chat. Okay, so I hope so now. But I meet you next lesson, next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.